I'm Marna, and I really like boy dolls. And God gave me sons, and I'm happy about it. I wanted to highlight these. I do craft packets for beginner crafters, and I teach them things like simple sewing and sewing on buttons and stuff. Well, I needed a couple boy dolls. I found these on eBay. They're very cute. They're about the size of a little Barbie's Kelly doll. They have cute little shoes, which is amazing because finding dolls with shoes is a big deal anymore. Don't get it, but okay. Cute little shoes. They have a little outfit. The only thing I don't like about these, well, I need to cram the shoe back on, there it goes, is the outfit was put on before the head. And that's fine because you won't lose it. And there aren't a lot of little boy doll clothes this size anyway. But that's the only thing I don't like. Otherwise, they're very cute. I got them on eBay. It was a lot of 2, and I know I paid less than $3. I just wanted to show you that. The shoes are worth that. If you have a Kelly doll and you're looking for shoes, this might be the way to go. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.